You guys, oh my goodness. I got a treat for you guys this morning. And I'm glad that I am doing this. I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek first of all. Now that thing right there. I'm putting it on charge because I'll take it out tomorrow. But guys, I am so glad that I'm doing this. But you talking about maybe let's see, today, tomorrow, maybe Sunday evening when I finish up. Woo! I'm talking about this a job. Let me show y'all this first. Boom. I took off the intake off this truck. Actually, guys, it was a pretty easy job. I had studied a lot of videos, and I didn't have to watch no video no more after I done watched it 7, 8 times. But this thing is filthy. I don't know if y'all can get a good look at it. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Like, wow. Really? Show y'all all. I don't know if I want to just clean this or just go buy a whole new. One thing I can tell you though, them injectors look pretty clean. But look at that. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Wow. If y'all seen how dirty that is, that's a map sensor there, ain't it? Yep. Y'all seen how nasty that thing up under there is? And the easy job to do is to keep your fuel rails on when you're doing the job. Found that it was so easy to put everything on. And I also took the throttle body off. Look how nasty. I don't know if y'all can see that. But guys, oh my goodness. Before I show you this engine inside of here, let me go get me some my shop towels to put in all them ports. Woo! This engine ran good, maybe because of all the things I've been doing to it. You know, it did have a little low idle when I first got it, but you know, I just boost the idle up some. You know, and it ran pretty well. Look what I use these little shop racks. About to use them up. I had to go get some more. But guys, I'm afraid to even show y'all this. If y'all seen that intake, I think I'm gonna just go buy a brand new one and start all back over again. I think that's what I might do. I don't know. I got some B12 chemical where I can clean this thing up. Oh, that's on top, you know, yes. Should look like that, but I'm talking about. Can I show it again? Ooh, them injectors look pretty good in that, guy, though. How much? I don't know. I said I'm changing. I said I won't, but I don't know. I got brand new ones, so hey, might as well do it right the first time, right? This don't make no sense, guys. And I thought how this thing ran that it's gonna be pretty clean. This truck came from the city, and I know good and well the city take well good care of their vehicles. and regular maintenance. I ain't gonna prolong this, guys. Let me get a good look at this. Oh my goodness. I'm scared to even peel this junk off. Oh wow. You be careful here. I ain't gonna pick up nothing till I plug them holes. I gotta go get my shop vac, cause I ain't gonna sweep nothing out. Nothing. Oh my goodness. So, let's see, can I look down any hole? I got a flashlight and see what it look like in the holes. Oh, here we go, guys. Let's see here. Actually look pretty. It's nasty now, but on top of the pistons now. See that little seal there? Rod. Look pretty clean. So I've been doing a proper. Let's see, can y'all see this right here? So I've been doing a proper cleaning in there. I can't get a good look, guys, sorry. But I can see it. The lifter rod and all that look pretty good. Let's see on this side. Let's see, can y'all see that? There we go. So all the valve seating, look at that. There we go. That look pretty good down in there, so that's one good thing. But all the gunk that's in there, how am I gonna get all that off? Really? What is that? I know that's the city unit. What is this right here? Anybody know what is that called? I mean, I'm gonna put this video out as soon as possible. So I'm not gonna put this thing back on until tomorrow or Sunday. Oh my goodness. It look pretty clean. At least it been cleaning itself, so to speak. So, and look at that. I can clean the throttle body, so that ain't no problem. Then again, y'all know me, guys. I might get a brand new throttle body as well. So, this truck, I ain't in a hurry for it, because I got one right there. And also I got an old Malibu inside the garage. Actually, I'm curious to see what the knock sensor look like. Look like it been held up pretty good. Look like it been held up pretty good. I don't know what. You don't know how you did when you get in the hole though. Yeah, I can't tell, but guys, I got all this brand new. But I ain't never seen them this bad. I don't took a lot of intake off in my days. Like I said, what I did, everything, all my wiring, whatever, I zip tied and pulled everything back onto the brake booster. Unplugged the battery and moved all my wire to the back. One thing that I forgot to do before I had unplugged the battery, I forgot to take the relay out for my fuel line and turn it over a couple of times to get all the gas out. Well, that wasn't fun because when I unplugged it, gas shot out. And I'm glad I had all these rags around here to just hold that gas till it just release itself. So after that, taking all the bolts out. Oh yeah, let me tell you. Don't you know that the bolts that I was taking out on the intake manifold, it was easy to turn. I can literally turn with one hand. Just, not like, they want to be tight. I looked at the foot pound, and none of them weren't even tight. Guys, I'm going to tell you, and this truck was running pretty good. I always thought it did need some more power, you know, but hey, I knew that me working on this truck to get it back in top shape, you know, to keep cleaning. And I knew that was my last job right here, doing this right here, because I did want to see what it looked like up on the bottom. But have y'all seen one this bad? I mean, I don't know how I'm going to clean all that. But that, anybody got any suggestion for me, guys? I mean, I'm literally babbled about what I'm looking at here. Guys, I just can't stress enough to you that how do I sort of, or do you? How do I clean in them ports? Now, how do I clean in them ports? There's one thing I see, guys. I see the lifter. Let's see, I'm trying to show y'all and get the camera right too. Now I'm covering it. But y'all got the point the first time. You know? Here we go. That's one thing. No lifters doing pretty good. Oh, that look good, but how am I clean all that without that falling back in there? Car in mind want to know, guys. This ain't good. I'm glad I took it off. Because I putting everything on here brand new. But I'm not glad I took it off. Go figure. That's my line. I'm gonna have to go back, fish back through. But I got all the lines where I needed to, and didn't take out that many bolts. You know, the bolts was up here. Bolts going inside the intake right here. I left everything on the intake. 5 bolts on one side, 5 bolts on the other side. Let me open this knock sensor up. Then like it want to rain on me. I didn't put it in the garage because the truck's so long. I can't close the garage though, and I said already. I think that right there always look good. Yeah, I always talking about the second one. So, I don't know if I can get in there. Look in there. I don't know. Let me get up a little bit. I ain't never seen nothing that bad. That one don't look too bad, so don't look like no water. A lot of these things look rusty inside there. But neither one of them look bad at all. But how many of you know because it don't look bad? Don't mean you want to leave it in there. When you got all this off. Y'all hear me, don't you? Well, guys, pray for the preacher. Any helpful comment will be needed right now. Oh yeah, let me know. What is that? What is that right there? Sincere right there. I had to Google that or something. I don't know. I don't know what that one is. But I ain't got time to Google that. All I got time to do is clean it, y'all. This your little preacher with a bad 4.8 engine that need cleaning. Well, when I mean bad, I mean bad cleaning. Bad gunk. Bad. I'm gonna. Y'all think. So if it like that, I'm gonna tell them how this thing. Can I shine the light in now? I'm telling what it look like all inside. Do that really go bad? I just don't want to clean it. I think I'll be all right, but I think I'll be all right. I'm in good mind. I can soak that. I can always soak that. It's a good idea if I don't think it hurt if I go ahead and soak it down with some chemicals and spray it off. Guys, I got the Sunday for your comments. You guys have a blessed one. I'm going to thank you guys already. Amen.